So what does customer service mean to Symmetry? I think for Symmetry, it's about being nimble, and the way that we're going to communicate with our customers might be a little bit different than the way one of our larger competitors would, but we think that's what kind of separates us a little bit. A lot of times you've got a lot of different ways that you can reach, a lot of different ways that your customers can reach you. You've got the semiconductor store, you've got the phone. I think a lot of customers are surprised when they actually pick up the phone and they get somebody here. We've got dedicated ISRs that end up being attached to all of our customers, and I think that ends up even adding another level of service. I think more than anything though, it's communicating with them. I mean, a lot of our customers are starting out in design levels. They're smaller groups. They're going to need a little bit more assistance than your standard customer who just wants a 5,000 piece quote. We tend to focus on the customers that are design level, that need that help, that need the direct hookups and communications that we can get with our suppliers and with the engineering support level at our suppliers. That's a layer, I think, sometimes for some customers that can become a little, it can just become too padded. It becomes too many things to have to force your way through. That's what we're kind of here to do. If you've got an issue with a part, and we're going to be able to get that answer for you pretty quickly. And we don't leave you hanging for 2 or 3 days. We always respond within 24 hours to all of our communications, and in most times quicker than that. I think even further, most of our ISRs are now trained to, even the small sales that come through our semiconductor store, a lot of them you'd think no one would respond to a $12.95 dongle sale for one item to a kid at Carnegie Mellon, but that kid at Carnegie Mellon is your next engineer at Intel, or you never know. We really treat all of our customers, regardless of the size of the order, the name at the end of the email. We treat them all like they can be big one day. I think this economy proves that, with startups, with Kickstarter, with all the crowdfunding folks that we deal with, and we deal with them a lot. Anybody can be the next big thing. They really can. So we take all of our customer interactions very, very seriously, and I think that and we take them very professionally. That, I think, is what you have to do when you're a smaller company like we are. So I think we don't have a playbook insofar as what customer service really means. It's really about getting to yes, getting that customer to get what he needs and feeling like he's being serviced. And we figure out ways to do that every day that are different. And I think that a company like ours, being small and being nimble and being able to react, it allows us to do that. We don't get locked into any of these kind of large corporate structures that say, well, here's this email and the support must go to here, and then they wait 2 days. We can do it all on our own, and we do.